In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create portfolio website using Weebly 2025. First, open Weebly, and once you're signed in, head to your account's overview. This is the hub where all your sites live and where you can quickly jump into editing. From here, look for the site you want to use as your portfolio. Click on website to open its dashboard. If you're starting fresh, this card is where you'll access the tools that control your site's structure and content. Next, choose Edit Site. This launches the drag and drop builder so you can work on pages, navigation, and design in real time. Give the editor a moment to load. You'll see your current homepage along with the left panel for elements and the top navigation for pages and publishing. To add space for your portfolio content, click the plus icon in the pages area. This is how you create new sections for your work, like a projects page, an about page, or a contact page. Right after that, select Page. You'll be prompted to create a standard page, which is perfect for showcasing case studies or image galleries. Name it clearly, something like Portfolio or Work, so it appears cleanly in your site's menu. Clear naming also helps visitors understand where to find things. If you want to adjust your existing homepage settings, click on Home in the Pages list to see its options. Here you can review visibility, header style, and other page-specific settings. This is useful if you prefer your homepage to act as a landing page that routes people to your new portfolio page, or if you want to fine-tune how the header looks before you publish. When you've made your changes, click Preview. This shows you exactly how your site will look to visitors without taking it live yet. Scroll through and check the navigation labels, spacing, and image sizing. Make sure your new portfolio page is easy to reach from the menu, and that text is readable on both desktop and mobile views. If everything looks good, click Publish. This pushes your updates to the live site so anyone with your link can see them. After publishing, you can return to the editor at any time, repeat these steps to add more pages, and publish again. That way your portfolio stays current as you complete new work. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building a clean, professional portfolio with Weebly.